Hello, hello! A couple of days ago I went to the south of France to scuba dive with my scuba diving club. It was my first dive since I think September last year, and I think it was my first saltwater dive since Florida, I think. So I didn't film the first two dives that I did on the Saturday, but I did film this dive, which is on the Sunday, in a location called Le Sec du Langoustier. I think you could translate it in English to the Lobster Rock, I would say. It's 40 to 35 meter deep, depending on where you are, and the water temperature was quite okay, I would say. We are on the Mediterranean Sea, so it's warmer than where I live. It was still a bit chill, from 17 to 13 degrees Celsius, depending on how deep you are. Since I'm doing all the training in the French Federation again, I'm not diving with Nicolas. My buddy is Pat. She is, I think, the equivalent of an instructor, and I need to do 4 to 6 dives with them for them to assess my level. So you will not see Nicolas in this dive because he is doing his training on his side. I also was very sick on the boat. I am very prone to motion sickness. That's why you have me as an introduction there. I hope you enjoyed.